Did you know that the gold restoration on the weather vane and ironwork on the roof of the Library of Parliament in Ottawa was done by artist Oleh Lesiuk of Toronto? He was the leading artist, assisted by two Ukrainian artists, Yulia Butapolishchuk and Diana Melnichenko, both from Toronto. Oleh Lesiuk was born in 1959 in Lviv and lives and creates in Canada since 1992. He is active in various Ukrainian visual arts associations in Canada and has created several monuments, signs, park sculptures, and memorial plaques in Ukraine, USA, Canada, France, and Great Britain, and has earned numerous awards and grants for his many projects. And now the Ukrainian Canadian Congress has just unveiled Oleh Lesiuk's logo for the 125th anniversary of Ukrainian immigration to Canada. He previously did the logo and memorial plaque for the 120th anniversary of Ukrainian immigration to Canada as well. You can see the 125th anniversary logo on the website of the Ukrainian Canadian Congress. And as for the gilding restoration on the roof of the Parliamentary Library in Ottawa, you can see that from quite a distance.